Hi guys, welcome back. Got a little drink, don't worry. It's not alcohol. Quick one today. Man, we've been getting a lot of rain. Whole lot of rain. And when that happens, grass and weeds, they grow. All right, rose bush is doing okay. Might come up over here. Look at the holy grail. I told you, be patient. Be patient. In my last video, you know, the one where I used my Ryobi angle grinder to remove caked up concrete from brick. Anyway, in that video, I said some things that could have made some folks feel somewhat uncomfortable. Well, let me add fuel to the fire. By the way, this is a mess. I will take care of this. This backyard will look a whole lot better, trust me. In my honest opinion, the smash and grab crews, the carjacking crews, aren't doing it alone. So you got a lot of people cashing in. Case in point, there was this gentleman who had his car stolen. This man tracked his car to a chop shop. So yeah, they were removing the VIN numbers and license plate and stuff like that. So for everybody who thought, well, the Grand Theft Auto video game is the reason why these guys are doing this, no, it's not. What about the smash and grab folks? You know what? Looks like a bunch of insurance fraud if you ask me. George Floyd gets killed by Derek Chauvin, and it was horrific. Don't get me wrong. You know what happens? Riots break out. So what do the store owners do? Some of them, they set their stores on fire to put in the insurance claims. I want you guys to watch New Jack City, starring Ice-T, Wesley Snipes, Mario Van Peebles. Very good film. Wesley played a notorious drug dealer who ran a housing project. He ruled with an iron fist. He was deadly. He gets caught. He said something that resonates to this very day. He said, "This is bigger than Nino Brown." We had the crack epidemic, but we didn't talk about how the government played a major part in it. See, this is what I'm talking about. Eventually, a 400-page document is released detailing the government's involvement in drugs filtering the inner city. Coincidentally, wink, wink, when that document is released, the President Clinton, Monica Lewinsky scandal breaks, and we forget all about it, don't we? See, this is the big lie that we tell ourselves, and we always push this narrative out there, and I think it's to deny black people reparations. We tell the rest of the world, come here and you can make it. This country, for the most part, has feasted off the flesh of black people. Then we'll stand back and ask, why can't you pull yourself up? You go to the ghetto in search of drugs, prostitutes, human trafficking. You go door to door trying to scam people out of their homes. You're just as guilty. We have to be careful. The media will have you hating the people who are being oppressed and loving the people who are doing the oppression. Be careful. You know the motto, take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.